welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and you all are staying indoors. This is the question and answer video, as I asked you all that you can ask me some of the questions and I'll be selecting and answering those questions for you. So I have selected the questions and also I've answered the questions in the video, but I thought that if I answer your questions one after one, you'll eventually get bored. So I have recorded the makeup video also while answering your questions. This is basically makeup on the go, like 5-minute makeup where you just have to go somewhere quickly and you have to do your makeup. So I think that this will be helpful to you. So without wasting much of the time, we should quickly jump in the video. Okay, the first question that is asked to me is by Digital Khabri, the ID, and the question is, what is your favorite song? Okay, but first I'll start my makeup by using my MAC Prepless Prime Photo Finish Primer. The answer to this question is, there's no such favorite song of mine, to be very honest with you, but of course there are favorite albums, I can tell you that, because with every movie I like a song, I listen to it on loop and eventually it becomes my favorite. So there's some songs like Jashne Bahara from Jodha Akbar, that is one of my favorites. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's album, Veer Zara album, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum album. So these are like my all-time favorite songs. And okay, then the next question that is asked to me is by Meghna's Food Magic, and let me tell you guys, her recipes are awesome. I really love her recipes and you must check her handle. She asked me the question that Desi Khana or pasta or pizza concealer, and the answer to her question is my favorite cuisine is Italian, so I'll definitely go with pasta and pizza. But it's not like that I do not like Desi Khana or Desi food. Of course I absolutely love it, but because my favorite cuisine is Italian, so I'll prefer Italian over Desi Khana. Okay. Then the next question that is being asked to me is by Smriti, and her question is, who is your favorite actor? Okay, the answer to this question will be my all-time favorite actor, like since the time I realized that something is known as television and people act on TV and then they get paid for it, is Shah Rukh Khan. He is my all-time favorite actor. I remember, and my parents also tell me this, that when I was small, and till now I mean, but when I was small and Shah Rukh Khan used to come on TV, I used to blush and then used to hide behind the sofas. So yes, and if you ask, my two favorite actors are, one is Shah Rukh Khan always, and the second one is Vicky Kaushal. Using my Lakme CC cream in the shade Honey. And the next question is asked to me by Luxury Indians, and the question is, what is your favorite game? My favorite game, actually I seriously don't know, because I have many favorite games. Like which game? Like I like to play badminton, and if you're asking which game I play on my phone most, then it would be Fruit Ninja, Slime Stimulator, and Cooking Fever. These three games I play always, and Subway Surfers also. I mean, like, these games I've been playing since a very long time and they are my all-time favorite to play. So then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my face. And the next question for me is by Rajat Soni, and the question is, any skincare for boys? Okay, the answer to this question is, there's no specific skincare for boys and girls. Like, of course, the charcoal face packs or any other face packs are for according to the different skin types, but I would suggest that if you want to do any skincare, the basin and the milk pack or the bread and milk pack is for everyone. Anyone can use it. So I think you can go for that. You can go for the blackheads removal face pack if you have. You can go for the charcoal face pack. So these are some of the face packs that I would suggest you. But there's no specific, you can even exfoliate your face, that's also fine. But everything depends upon your skin type, whether your skin is dry, it is sensitive, or it is oily. Actually depends on that. So there's no specific skin routine for boys. The next question is asked to me by Pariniti Madhu, and her question is, what is your full name? My full name is Priyasha Chawat. Okay, the next question for me is by Kanika, and she has asked, how do you manage to look so perfect all the time? Okay, thank you so much for appreciating. The answer to this question will be, I have practiced makeup since very long, and after properly practicing my makeup and trying different looks for you, so that you can get amazing looks every time I record a video. So I've tried these looks, and with so much of efforts and with practice, I have now started getting the perfect looks or the perfect makeup that sets on my skin. Otherwise, I have had enough makeup faux pas, the winged eyeliner with proper red lipstick, or a dark pink lipstick, or with winged eyeliners, or a long eyeliner coated. I have had those makeup faux pas. For my eyes, I'm using my NYC Showtime mascara in the shade Ultra Black. And next question is by Rajat Dhanawat, and he has asked me, who is your inspiration? The answer to this question will be, to be very honest with you, everyone will think I'm lying, but that's the truth. I would say that I really do not have any makeup inspiration or the person who inspired me to do this. But I mean, of course, there's a beauty blogger known as Malvika Sitlani Aryan. Everyone, most of the people would be knowing her, and she does really nice makeup videos, and I've been following her since a very long time. And she actually, she's so good in speaking, and she does her makeup so well that actually I got a little bit inspired that even I can start the channel. But it was just because of my wish, and I thought that I really do nice makeup, so I think I'll start the channel. So I started the channel, and I am here and answering all of your questions. And then for my face today, I'll be using this Mini Stay Glamour Highlight Blush and Contour Palette. It is this. I got this palette from Miniso, and the shades of this palette are this. They're really nice and warm shades. I really like this palette. This is the all-time palette. You can carry it anywhere and everywhere you want. It has blush, contour and highlight as well. So this is the perfect palette you can carry anywhere. And for the makeup on the go or like 5-minute makeup, this palette has all. The question to me is asked by my best friend Ria, and the question is, will you go to Maldives with me and also eat pizza and chocolate pie? The answer to this question is yes, always. Maldives is my favorite destination. Like, you take anything and get me to Maldives. So definitely I'll be going to Maldives with you, and that's a promise. I'll be using the blush, and by the brush, I have the MAC X Factor brush set with me, so I'll be using that brush today. Okay, the next question to me is asked by Bhumi, and the question is, do you fill in or shape in your eyebrows? The answer is, I fill in my eyebrows. I have not shaped my eyebrows yet. I actually am not good at filling in my eyebrows also. My mom is superb at it. She knows how to do it, but I'm really bad at it. So I learn from her. Then the next question is by Divya Inani, and she has asked me, रात को क्या आपका makeup routine होता है? There's no makeup routine at night or any routine. I just follow one routine, that I wash and cleanse my face properly before going to bed, and I moisturize it properly and I take care of my skin that way. I'm using this highlighter from the palette. Then for the next question we have Kriti, and she has asked me, how do you shoot your makeup videos? Okay, the answer to this question is I either shoot my makeup videos by my iPhone, and I shoot my makeup videos either on my iPhone X, or I shoot my makeup videos on my DSLR by using my tripod. Either of these two ways I shoot my makeup video. And next question is asked to me by Khushi, and her question is, how does it feel to shoot makeup videos? To be honest, the answer to this question is, it feels like therapy. I am super happy when I'm in front of the camera and I'm shooting. It is actually a therapy, and it is actually a bliss. For my lipstick, I'm using my MAC Glam mini lipstick in the shade Overachiever. The next question is asked to me by Sonam, and her question is, what are you superstitious about? I'm not very superstitious about much things, but definitely about the times. My mom always says that do not step out of the house when it's 12 p.m. The clock is just on 12 p.m. or 7 p.m. I do follow that thing. I think that's the only main thing that I'm superstitious about. There are not many things that I'm really superstitious about. So that's the one thing. And yes, one more thing, I always wear my necklace which has my alphabet, the P letter. I always wear this necklace, like 365 days I have this necklace. The next question for me is asked by Toshi, and she have asked that which is the thing I'm most scared of? Andhera. I'm most scared of darkness, to be really honest. Like, and not when I'm sitting in my room and suddenly the lights go, that एकदम buff करके जैसे lights जाती है ना, I am actually very scared of that, and I am scared of lightning and thunder, that noise. I'm really scared of that. So okay, so these are all for today's questions. I really loved and I really enjoyed answering all of your questions. I hope that you also liked this video and the makeup also that I did. I'll leave all the makeup products used in the description box below, so you can check it there. And I hope that you all are safe in your home. Bye.